So here, just a little add up. I will add a sound test to that video. So this is actually what I'm recording with it. You may see a console over here, but that's not recording into it. The reason I purchased this is actually because this one is defective and I need a temporary solution. Because usually I record with the SM7B on the Rodecaster, but since this one going in warranty repair, well, I needed another solution. So this is how the mic sound. The only thing I did is I connected over USB to my Mac, and I'm actually recording into QuickTime Player, so nothing fancy here. And well, I did increase the volume so you can hear me well. Otherwise, the volume would be as low as what you can hear right now. So yes, I just did add up a little bit of gain so that you can hear me well, but I didn't change anything to the audio. I'm actually into a big room. There's echo, of course, but I do believe, and I'm just speaking right now, I didn't hear the result of this microphone. I don't even wear headphone right now, so I can hear myself. So that's just for you to judge. There's actually sound outside. There's a motorcycle or a car, something that is passing by. I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, that's something I can hear. There's there are some people talking outside of my loft. I can hear it. Can you? This is the silence, by the way. And there was people talking back there. So can you hear it? So yeah, that was the test for this Rode Pod mic. I hope this was helpful.